Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox the latest wireless earphones by both the Rockerz 255 Pro Plus. I would give sort of a review of these earphones as well, but first let's unbox these. So I ordered the black ones from Amazon. This is what the box looks like. Let's open this. When you open this, you'll get earphones. You'll also get extra ear tips, some paperwork, and USB Type A to Type C charging cable. These wireless earphones come with Bluetooth 5.0, 10mm dynamic drivers. They have water resistance rating of IPX7. Plus, they have 40 hours of playback time. They charge completely in 60 minutes. And both claims that in 10-minute charge, one can get up to 10 hours of playback. These boat Rockerz are made with premium quality plastic material. They have flexible and tangle-free cable. Their ergonomically designed ear cups fit in the ear perfectly. You can use these ear hooks during some moving actions, they don't fall off easily. There's also a magnetic lock. You can hang these earphones while you're not using them around your neck without thinking of them falling. Pairing the boat Rockerz with your smartphones for the first time is very easy. You just have to long press the power button on these earphones, turn on Bluetooth on your smartphones, search for new device, pair it with boat Rockerz, and after it is paired, it will show you battery percentage alongside the Bluetooth icon in the quick settings menu. The Boat Rockerz 255 Pro Plus provide crisp and clean immersive bass output. The mids, lows and highs are balanced. Surround HD sound of these earphones makes for great music listening experience. These Bluetooth earphones produce loud and clear audio, and the latest Bluetooth 5.0 offers low latency performance, which I would show in a bit. But overall, the sound quality of these earphones is very great. Now let's check the latency performance of these earphones. Here is the clip from PUBG PC. Now let's check the mic quality of these earphones. Now I have switched to the mic of these earphones. This is what it sounds like. There's a bit of a noise in the background in my area, but in the recording it's not audible, which is a good sign. So that's it from my side. That was my unboxing and review of the Boat Rockerz 255 Pro Plus. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for more exciting videos.